Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload your reports or how to share your reports or your Power BI reports into GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we are just going to follow these guides. And from here, you can like just copy and paste the link here, and basically from this link it will take you to this Google Doc, and all you will need to do is to have this text copy and paste it into your README for your repository. For example, this repository, I'm just going to the hello world. You can create a new repository, you name it like my Power BI dashboard, etc. And then you will need just to go to the README file, and I'm just going to edit this file, and from here I'm just going to paste this exact file. And basically here I'm just going to uh, just have it. And basically in the dashboard link, make sure to have your own dashboard link. And basically you will need like to just like have sharing your dashboard. And also in this one, you will have exactly the steps that has been followed for to add like these snapshots. And basically you will be needing like just to load the data into your Power BI desktop and add everything, and then you will be needing like to share your link, etc. to add it here. And basically, like if we go to the preview, we will see that you will be able like to start having snapshots like here. Like you will have the snapshots for mini columns. You can have whatever you like, and also you can start having your dashboard that will be added here, and you can make it more customized until it starts like showing in a better way. So basically, those are uh, those are the steps that you can follow, etc. So here it has like everything explained. So thank you for watching and see you next time.